We'll guide you through how to install the YouTube app in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Windows 11, and so you want to go and get the YouTube app. The YouTube app is really convenient because you can then quickly go and access YouTube and go and start watching it. Otherwise, you have to go and open up your web browser every time and then go and head to the site. But with the app, you can go and have it on your desktop, and you can even go and add it into your taskbar as well. And you can go and either click on it or double click on it and get straight to your YouTube homepage and go and start watching your favorite creators. We're going to guide you through this step by step, so make sure it's full guide and you can go and get it onto your computer. So to get started, open up Google Chrome. We are doing this specifically in Google Chrome. It can be done in other web browsers, but if you want to go and follow step by step, doing it in Google Chrome is how you should do it. So if you haven't already got Chrome, if you have, you can press search at the bottom, type in Chrome and open it up. Otherwise, you can go and download and install it. We've actually got a guide on how that can be done. So come into Chrome, and then what you can do is go and type in YouTube like so, and you want to come to youtube.com. Wait for this to go and load. And what you can then do is go to the top right if you aren't already and go and sign in. Now, what you can do is you can go to the top right, and in Chrome, you want to go and find the three dots like so. Now go down, hovering your cursor, and you want to go and find the option for cast, save, and share. Hover over that there, and then come over to the left, and you should find the option install YouTube. Also, if you go to the right of the URL address bar, you should go and see this little computer icon with a download symbol, and you want to go and click on it, and it'll go and say install YouTube, and you'll go and get this pop-up. And you'll get the same pop-up whether you click it from the list option or the address bar pop-up. Now you can go and press install like so to install the app, and like that, it's now going to go and open up. So just to go and now close it for now, and we'll close out our web browser, you can go and see it's now on our desktop here. So what we can do is go and double click on it like this, and it's then going to go and open up. And as you can see, we're brought straight to our homepage here. We can go and start watching our favorite creators. It's that simple.